case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2007 case of Iqbal v. Hasty, the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit heard arguments surrounding qualified immunity, a legal rule protecting government officials from being held accountable for violating constitutional rights if it was unclear they were violating those rights at the time. The case began after the 9/11 attacks, when thousands of Arab Muslim men, including plaintiff Javaid Iqbal, were detained at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn based on their religion, race, and nationality. Iqbal alleged harsh confinement conditions, religious and racial discrimination, and the violation of his procedural due process rights. The defendants were government officials from the Department of Justice, the FBI, and the BOP. The lower court found that Iqbal's procedural due process rights were violated, and the harsh conditions of confinement supported his claim. However, the court protected the defendants with qualified immunity on this particular claim. The defendants appealed the decision, but their claim for qualified immunity was ultimately rejected, except as to the procedural due process claim. The case was then remanded, and one of Iqbal's co-plaintiffs later settled for $300,000. The court ordered limited controlled discovery on claims without qualified immunity and remanded the case to the district court. The district court took steps to protect the qualified immunity defense from unnecessary and burdensome proceedings. The plaintiff was allowed to investigate the defendant's involvement in the alleged rights violations, but with limitations placed on high-level officials. The serious allegations raised in the case were enough to defeat the defendant's attempt to terminate the lawsuit at a preliminary stage. However, the defense of qualified immunity could potentially be reasserted after supervised discovery.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.